Hello and welcome to the second part of our video, a series about getting started with Scooby Smart Menu. We will focus on one element here, which is the managing the actual menu. On the previous video, we looked at how to manage adding items to our catalog that we now are able to add to the menu. Here we are again in our main dashboard. As you see, it's fairly simple. Navigation is by clicking on any of the buttons. And if we want to return to our dashboard, we tap or click on the logo here. We have done our items and added a burger. Now we are going to actually publish to our shop. When we open our shop section, we see our menu is already there. I'm going to rename this to my menu. So the way we start an edit process is fairly simple. We click on the little pencil here and we will see that we have two items already in the default section as well as drink section. So we will make some changes to our menu. First thing that we will do is we will just click in here and it will say my menu instead of my shop. I can then, this is the items that are available to me from the catalog. If I want to add more, I can go to the catalog and add some. So in our case, we are just going to drag and drop into the auto match area, which will then look at the information that you've entered on the item and figure out matching pattern for it in matching section. You can change it, of course, or we could have dropped it directly into any of the sections that are available to you. Let's add a little color to this. Let's make this maybe green on the top. And we will make some other changes here. Rather than sandwiches, we're going to call this burgers. So I'm going to tap on the three little dots and I'm going to say edit. And the word here that I'm going to edit here is only the English one. We're going to call this burgers. And that will automatically rename the section. I also want to make that a second part here. And so I'm going to move that a little bit here by dragging or dropping. You can also move up or down using those indicators that are available through the three dots. Each of these sections can also have their own time when they are available. For example, if we have a breakfast menu that is only available from, let's say, 8 a.m. or 6 a.m., 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., this is easy enough done here. And this section should only appear during those times. And that's all you need to do. So you can rearrange, you can add more items. So if I wanted to add more items, you can start populating this by making the selection from our item picker. And if you want to go all the way back and actually add an item from scratch, you can click on this button. We have a video that covers adding items from scratch in the previous series of this video tutorials. I'm just going to close. That's really all I needed to do. I have added a burger to my menu. I can add more items if I wish. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the republish button, which will go ahead and publish our changes for the public to consume. If I wanted to completely unpublish it, that means the menu will no longer be available. I can do so as well by clicking on the unpublish, or if I wanted to remove this menu altogether, I can remove it, which is the danger zone. In my case, I'm going to republish, and the system is going to go out and send it to all of our content delivery network and make it available to your guests as quickly as possible. So I'm going to close this out, and there is my menu. Now, in order for me to publish it or to share it with my guests, I can just look at the QR code by clicking on this little icon, and I can download it and put it on a sticker or on a little tent. We'd be glad to help you if you don't have a printer on how to do that. So this is scannable and usable. I can also generate a URL that is this little link looking icon that I can copy and share with any of my social media. If I'm, for example, changing menus regularly, this is a way to push it out on Twitter. Just one more thing to add. To copy all the content here for this, I just need to click on this icon, which I've done, and it will tell me that the icon has been copied. I think I might have already done so here. As you see, it's fairly quick. The load is incredibly easy to do. The experience for the user is also fairly easy. There's no extra clicks, your menu is immediately visible. You can search for anything as a user. You can switch your language if you have different languages and we haven't recognized it yet. I can get information about any item. I can do a rating that is available to me, and social media connections are obviously also there for any of the items that I'm publishing. The good news here is for the users that when they rate this, this is a private rating, and you, as an owner of a restaurant or a hotel or hospitality enterprise, will get an accumulation and summary of the information that is available to you. So you get a sentiment of what people are thinking of your menu without necessarily having to publish it. So this is really all there is to it. What we have done, if you look at it, we have come here to our main menu, we have come to shops, we have edited this shop, which is main menu, then we have republished our changes and made it available via QR for people to use. It doesn't get any simpler than this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up at https://scooby.com/smart-menu.